This evening is a special evening because it's our third wedding birthday. So I have to cook something my dear wife really love. And for that, I just get that big old lady out of the cupboard and look at the size. It's quite massive. Mm. It's oh fuck. It's made in France. Staub. And I tell you, just the top must weigh something like, I would say, 7 kilograms. We are gonna cook some tajine, chicken, lemon, and as well olives. So if you can get some, you can use green one, that's all right, it will be all right. Don't forget to rinse it. What we will need is coriander. So half is off the plate, but we will need some coriander seeds, cumin, black pepper, onions, garlic, parsley, sugar, lemons of course, and this is Safran, and I use both. I use pistils, and that one in powder more for the color, and that one more for the taste, right? And a chicken. Okay, so my butcher cut it for me because I can't do that, but I really recommend you to buy a whole chicken and ask your butcher to cut it for you or cut it by yourself. Then we are going to proceed. The first step I have to do is to crush all the spices. Take your time. It's a birthday evening. Let's crush this. Don't buy powder, just buy seeds, crush them. You can keep it longer, I mean, it lasts longer in taste, all right? Just keep them away from the light and crush them, and you can feel everything coming to your nose. Okay, at this stage I will add Safran powder, but not everything. It's more for the color. And if you put too much, it would kill everything. It really has a gentle taste, but if it's just like you call cannelle, I don't know. Just put too much, and it can ruin everything. Everything. Okay. So now what we are going to do is coat our chicken with spices. Yeah, I know, you're telling yourself, man, this is really, really big. I know it's huge, but I have another one, smaller, but which was too small to cook this, so I didn't have no choice. Well, I think it will work. And by the way, I like to listen to music, everything, alright? But when you cook, don't listen to music or whatever. You need to hear what's happening. And after a few minutes, it's time to add the onions, the garlic. I think that chopped too much. Then we will add olives, parsley, not forgetting the pistils. Then, oh, use your ears. So at this stage, you don't want it to burn, okay? Because tajine is something you cook a bit slow. I mean, not cover. then garlic, this will be enough. Just like a bell sometimes. I love it. I love it. Okay, no, after. Just the half is alright. Half it. So it's just like zoom, you tap it, you'll be alright. And so on, and so on, and so on. I think I will add just a bit of water because starts a bit burning. Not really burning, but just a few. Okay, we have the lemons and time to add potatoes. There you go. La la la. Okay, now. Let's add a bit of water. So half a glass, I think. And give a look from time to time. I mean, have a look from time to time. I think we're done. And just reheat it a bit.